Open text, front line,
like is ahead of the rest. Yeah, what?
so space,
Full snuff,
1, 2, production.
so. Yo, I can see a swift change through the times, but evolution's yet to catch up to when all that's fine. When it's our prime as a point that's everlasting, and recognize the duration is kept alive only by pure passion.
And pure passion follows knowledge and the understanding. The art form and the culture we are all demanding. With focused views, case in point on the unimportant. Life goals and reality a larger soul,
yes,
man.
Word, I base it off of pivotal things. Who place in rap slowly grows to the status of kings. True skills will be my bling, and living life in this culture's what a brother sing. So free to reign.
Open your eyes wide to the light that blinds, neutralizing habitual slogans, and then combine math with the basics, economize the craft. Mask a dope MC and find yourself light years past.
Yo, I sound blast right through adversity of tainted people whose speech is loud but language is feeble. So I translate their dialects, yo, in hopes that a pure form of styles will start the rep.
As a whole impressive, but still seeking more intensity. I laugh at your words, verbal density. It's funny that you mention me. Yo, you met me at my climax in a continuous brand, creating a virtual time lapse. Light years ahead of the rest, cause some of the best seen as miles would equal less. Yo, we light years ahead of the rest. Yo, we light years ahead of the rest. Light years ahead of the rest, cause some of the best seen as miles would equal less. Yo, we light years ahead of the rest. Yo, we light years ahead of the rest.
Yo, the chatter of fine arts will spread through the stratosphere with the impact of a dagger straight to your gallbladder. Now that was a vigorous movement, one of many from out this dream team, so follow and learn like students.
I scrutinize those unable to stand sound with malignant words that appear more rigid than land mounds. Looking at this from the perspective of an architect, building on beats at a level touching your intellect.
Vocal web that intercept cats who falsely minimize the main intent. Not even hardly on the page that we project. Minor essentials that started from back when Kool Herc was at his best.
The epitome of an open text, two pieces of a puzzle in conjunction so that the dope reflects. Pay attention to my primary focus more. I claim the art cause it pops in the depths of my core.
Yo, so now you see the purpose that we explore. Thinking like we was earthly surface beneath the floor. We stand for housing our music like we landlords. Logical way to keep places to expand yours.
I magnify my topic, dispersal a million times, in an effort to conquer, reading between the lines. But only divinities displayed for what my crew spells. We light years ahead of our time, when it's our true skill. Light years ahead of the rest, cause some of the best seen as minds would equal less. Yo, we light years ahead of the rest. Yo, we light years ahead of the rest. Light years ahead of the rest, cause some of the best seen as minds would equal less. Yo, we light years ahead of the rest. Yo, we light years ahead of the rest.
Check it out now, light years ahead of the rest. Yo, light years ahead of the rest. Fine arts, what? Light years ahead of the rest.
Light years ahead of the rest.
Carolinian Prince.
Space.
What's the deal? Yo.